Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake Tower 100. The Tower 100 has a small footprint, coming in at 462mm high, 266mm wide, and 266mm deep. It's available in both a snowy white or black edition. This mini tower case comes with 3 easily removable 4mm thick tempered glass windows on the front, left, and right side. This allows you to show off all of your gorgeous hardware no matter what side of the desk you decide to pop your case on. Additionally, there are no awkward chunky screws blocking the view here, as all these panels simply slide straight out to make it easy to access your hardware inside. The case also comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans to ensure you get peak airflow from the very first power up. Now, don't let its compact size throw you off. You can still run all sorts of hardware inside the Tower 100. The case is designed to fit ITX motherboards, as well as up to 140mm fans in either of the 2 mounting locations.
Case V00 from VIVO is an inexpensive yet highly functional Micro-ATX form factor computer case for system builders. The case features a simple, classy design, and its small size takes up less room than most other computer towers. A USB 3.0 port is built into the front panel for modern systems, with USB 2.0 and HC audio ports also included for excellent connectivity. The case also features an efficient cooling system, with room for 2
Thank you.